This is Glen Urquhart. Urquhart. Glen Urquhart. Your wee bit hill and glen. Not that I'll be singing that song again, I don't think. Not after last night's performance against Brazil. St. Columba's Well. $1.72 the diesel here, and it's jet. The place that was what, $1.50? Yeah. Well, this place is hoaching with tourists. Not sure I'd like to live here. So many people tramping around.
As we are.
Yeah. Caledonian Canal? No, it's not. It's a river. Oh, men in kilts. Oh, the canal is coming up. I wasn't quite wrong.
Are waiting to go across.
I saw that.
What was shite, I should have turned right here.
You can go right now. So this will be our home for the night on the banks of the Caledonian Canal with all these touristy types nebbing in. Oh dear. Oh. Turn the steering wheel, for God's sake. Oh, nice doggo. Yeah, they look like they know what they're doing. Le boat. Guess what that's French for? I think that dog's thinking about jumping to the safety of land. I noticed he didn't get a life jacket. Oh, ducks! Eee, wee! Superb. That's the Loch gates closing again. Oh, Gdansk, Poland. Polski. Oh, the wifey's bailed. She's had enough. Divorce imminent. Oh, so you have to book in via the lock keeper. You can also have a pump out for 15 quid. Whatever the hell that is. I've created content. I'm now a fully fledged tube. We are leaving. Where have we been, love? Fort Augustus on our whirlwind tour of Scotland. We had an eventful night because there was a cracking thunderstorm, thunder and lightning for about a whole hour it went on for. Paul had a Chinese takeaway, so he slept right through it. It was very peaceful though, other than that, and lovely to wake up to the lock being opened and the boats getting through. And we are now heading off to somewhere different. The weather's a bit grey and dreich, the air feels a lot clearer after the storm, so that's one good thing. Not sure I should have put my shorts back on, but we'll see how that plays out later today. Mr. Mitchell has just proclaimed that he would not rush back to Fort Augustus. Why is that?
Too many tourists.
Yes, how dare they tourist when we're touristing? It was full of tourists, and
What was that for the boat cruises?
you know, there's three sort of gift shops, a couple of tea rooms, a couple of takeaways, and really it's just a launch pad for people who are booked into these Loch Ness cruises. So there was lots of buses arriving with foreigners, Chinese people, people from around the globe, and they were tramping around waiting for their boat to depart. So it was hoorin' busy, as Paul would say. Hoorin' busy, it's hoorin' busy here, and not a lot of things to kind of look at or do if you weren't on a boat. But otherwise it was really picturesque, it was beautiful, but really you could do it in an afternoon, a couple of hours, and that would be you.